Today, our team got to have an opportunity to learn how to implement and enhance our daily operations through AI in our marketing and everyday work life. The team at MBRIT were really lucky to have Carrie here come into the office and join us. And there's all sorts of things that we learn. Now, I use AI every day from a very basic level and wasn't sure what else I could do with it. It's already prompted ideas and opportunities for me to use it around assessing and looking at data, how we then use that data to better perform in different things. So as basic as social media performance to our EDM schedules. And I'm sure you can imagine from there on up. Also, the creation around images and what it can do for the business in saving time, but also the areas that you need to be mindful of because it might create something that isn't quite right. So just like proofing text and commentary, you really need to proof your images. Lots of information. And I'm really excited about the future of how we can use it to save time in our everyday workplace and achieve so much more for our stakeholders and partners across the city of Moreton Bay.
100%. They really just showed how easy you shouldn't be afraid of adopting AI and really streamline your processes, increase your efficiencies, and also just help you get to that next stage where you want to. So embrace the future. Highly recommend to engage with Karen and stay up to date with everything she's doing. And we couldn't recommend her enough.